Good morning, children. Open your textbook. Last class what we did, children? Addition of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. We did know page number 88. Addition of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Page number 88. Open your page number 88. Page number 88. Exercise 2 we finished. In that what we learned? 2-digit and 1-digit. See, this is 2-digit, 1-digit. Last class we learned this 2-digit and 1-digit number. This class we will go to exercise number 3, page number 89. Page number 89. Now open your textbook. Once again I am saying that exercise 2 we finished. Exercise 3. Today we are going to start exercise 3, page number 89. See, page number 89. Addition of 3 1-digit number. Addition of 3 1-digit number. See, when we are doing example sums, that you write in the rough note, children. Only textbook sums you want to write in the textbook. Now I am doing example. What you will do? Take rough note. For example sums you want to do in the rough note. Now see, add 6, 3 and 2. This is 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3 digits are there. But 1-digit number. 6, 3 and 2. First you want to arrange the numbers. First you write 6, after that 3, after that 2. For addition, which sign we will use? Plus sign. For addition, plus sign. Addition we will use plus sign, children. See, add 6, 3 and 2. Arrange like this. First 6, second 3, less 2. First you want to add these two numbers and write the answer. 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Understood, children? 9 plus 2. Now, this number and this 2 number you want to add. 9 plus 2. Add the third number. This is the first we had this 2 number. After that we will get 9. 9 plus 2. This third number you want to add. 9 plus 2. 9 in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 9, 10, 11. 11 is the sum, children. Like that only another one I will give. 8, 6 and 2. First we will arrange that. First number, which number? 8. Second number, 6 and 2. Which number first we will add? These two numbers we will add. These two numbers we will add. 8 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See? We get 8 plus 6, 14. Now for this 14 and this third number. See, 1, 2, 3. This is third number, children. 14 plus 2. 14 in my mind, 14 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 14, 15, 16. Understood, children? Like that only addition of 3 1-digit number. Addition of 3 1-digit number. Now take textbook. See, children, in textbook, exercise number 3, there is no place to write. So what you will do? You do it in the rough note. Only answer should be right here. Understood? Take rough note. Write exercise number 3. When I am giving classwork, no, that time is there in this mind will be there, children. So now you do it in the rough note, only answers you write in the textbook. Add the following. Exercise number 3. See, first one, 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal. Write in the pencil. In textbook, you use pencil only. 4 plus 3 plus 5. Third one, 2 plus 4 plus 5. See, this is third one. This is fifth one. Now second one I am writing here. Second one, 2 plus 3 plus 5. Here, fourth one, 6 plus 3 plus 0. Nine plus 1 plus 2. See, exercise number 3, like this, no children, we want to write only answers here. Do it sums in the rough note, answers you write like this, understood? Means here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First sum we will do. See this, they given in a horizontal method. Now we will do in vertical method. See this 3 number, 3, 2, 1. Understood, children? You want to arrange like this. First one, 3, 2 plus 1. This one you want to write in the rough note. This one you want to write in the textbook. 3 plus 2. First you had this first and second number. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2, how much? 5. 5 plus 1. See, 5 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 5, 6. What is the answer, children, here? 6. You want to write here 6. Now 4 plus second one. 4 plus 3 plus 5. Now, which number you want to add? These two numbers. First, you want to add 4 in my mind, 4 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 on my finger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, second one, for second one, sorry children, that is third one. Third one. Here, third one, 12 is the answer. Fifth one. Second one I will do. What I did, no children, first one I did like this sum. Second one I did, don't want it. Second one, this one. 2 plus 3 plus 5. First you had this number, you will get 5. 5 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second one over. Now third one, already we did know 4 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3 plus 5. If you had these two numbers, you will get 7. 4 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You got no 7? Now 7 in the mind, 5 on the 5 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fourth one. Which is the fourth one now? 6 plus 3 plus 0. 6 plus 3 plus 0. Now these two numbers you want to add. 6 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 0 on the finger. 9 in the mind, 0 on the finger. What I told in the last class only, children, in addition 9 plus 0, what you will get the sum? 9 only. Same number you will get. If 0 plus 9 also you will get 9. 9 plus 0 also you will get 9. Now fifth one. Fifth one I will do here. The fourth one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. 2, 4, 5 plus 2 plus 4. This number, which one bigger? 4 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sixth one, 9, 1 plus 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 10 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 10, 11, 12. Understood, children? Like that you want to do in the rough note. But answers, this, see, first one, what is the answer? 6. For second one, you will write 10. Third one, 12. Fourth one, 9. Fifth one, 11. Sixth one, 12. Understood, children? Only you want to write these numbers only in the textbook. This and all you want to do in the rough note. Finish it soon, children. We will go to next main. See, this and all without carrying we are doing. Without carrying we are doing these sums. Now we will go to next main without carrying only. Shall I write, children? Exercise number 3 we finished. Now addition of 2, in that page only, addition of 2-digit numbers without carrying we are doing. Addition of 2-digit numbers. Page number 89, example sum first. See, in the last main, what we did, only single digit is there now, children. Now in this main, we will do 2-digit numbers. Add 24 and 32. Understood? First you want to arrange this. First write tens, ones. This number 24, 2 you want to write in the tens place, 4 you write in the ones place. 32, 2 you write in the ones place, 3 you write in the tens place. Which one first you want to add? This place, this number, ones number you want to add first. 4 plus 2, 4 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 4, 2 in the finger, 4. After 4, 5, 6. We finished ones column. Now we will go to tens column. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum is 56. This is the sum, children. Like that you want to do the addition of 2-digit numbers. Another example number 2 tens. The examples you want to do in the rough note. I am saying once again, you want to do in the rough note. 6, 3, see, like this. Add 63 and 42. They given like this. You want to arrange first 63, 42. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 6 in the mind, 4 on my finger. Of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. You want to write here. Like that only you want to do the addition of 2-digit number. Now go to textbook. Open your textbook, page number 90. Page number 90. You want to write in the page number 90. Page number 90. Add the following. Exercise number 4. Add the following. Understood, children? Add the following. First one, tens, ones. 54 plus 23. 4 plus 3, 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Ones column we finished. We'll go to tens column now. 5 plus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7. Second one, tens, ones. 73 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind. See, children, you keep it in the mind. This first number, you keep it in the mind. 2 on my finger. 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. 7 in the mind. 1 on my finger. After 7, 8. Third one. Tens, 20. See, 8 in the mind, 0 on the finger. 0 is there, children? 0. 8 plus 0, what you will get? 8 will come. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 2, 1 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3. Fourth one, 54. Tens, ones. 54. 15. 4 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 5, what will come? After 5, 6. First 4 sums we finished, children. First sum, check the answers correctly, check the sums correctly. 54 plus 23, you will get 77. 73 plus 12, you will get 85. 18 plus 20, 38. 54 plus 15, 69. Understood, children? Now we'll go to fifth sum. Fifth one, 47 plus 12. 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 1, 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. Sixth one, tens, ones. Exercise number 4, no children. Sixth one, 32, 15. 32, 15. 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, 5 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 1. 3 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 3, 4. Seventh one. Seventh one, 22 plus 32. 2 plus 2. 2 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3. 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 54. 8 1. 44. Tens, ones. 44. 22. 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2. Here also 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. Understood, children? Like that, you want to do the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Now check it once again. 47 plus 12, 59. 32 plus 15, 47. 22 plus 32, 54. 44 plus 22, 66. Now we'll go to 9th sum. Finish it neatly. Sharp your pencil when you are writing, no children. That time you want to sharp the pencil and write neatly. See, 9th one, tens, ones. 76 plus 20. 63 25. 32 tens, ones. 11th one. 32 50. 12th one. 65 plus 23. 65 plus 23. See the 11th one, 9th one over, no children. Now 9th one we will do. 8th one over. 9th one will start. 6 plus 0. 6 in the mind, 0 on the finger. 0 on my finger. So after 6, 6 only will come. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9. Here 3 plus 5. In this number, which one bigger here? 5. 5 you keep it in the mind. 3 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, what will come, children? What I said, if any number with 0, you will get same number only. 2 plus 0, 2 only. 3 plus 5. 5 you keep it in the mind. 3 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind. 3 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8. Now check it, children. Once again I will repeat the sums. 9th one, 76 plus 20. 96 you will get the sum. 63 plus 25, 88. 11th one, 32 plus 50, 82. 12th one, 65 plus 23, 88. Now today we finished exercise number 3 and exercise number 4, no children. Next class I will do exercise 5. For that also you want to use rough note only. Here no place to write. Only answer you want to write in the textbook. Understood, children? Now close your textbooks. Open your maths homework note. Maths homework note. Open the maths homework note. Maths homework note. Now I am going to give homework, children. Last class what I gave? 2 ones are 2 tables. 2 tables 2 times. 3 tables 2 times. Are you finished, children? I hope you are finished. Now we will go to next homework. Go to fresh page. Write maths homework. Today's date. Write neatly, children. First line you want to leave. See, when you are writing the homework note, you are sharp your pencil neatly. Maintain neat homework note, children. Don't do dirty. Whenever you are writing note, that time you want to write in the sharp pencil only. Use scale, eraser. See, like this only, no, children, horizontal notebook. Maths homework notes like this only, no. Last class what I gave, write the tables of 2 and 3. Now today I am going to give 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables. Sorry children, 4 tables, 5 tables and 6. Leave one line here. See, in the notebook, go to fresh page. Don't write there only. If place is also, you don't write. Go to fresh page, leave one line and second line you want to start. Write the tables, WRITE, write the THE, the tables, TABLES, tables of 4, 5 and 6. This is the heading for maths homework, children. Write neatly and again you want to leave the line. See, you want to write here 4 ones are 4. Use scale when you are drawing the line, no? You use scale and put the line, children. 4 ones are 4. How many times you want to write? 2 times. See, here only you can finish 4. In one page only you can finish, children. Don't go to next page for 5 and 6. 4 ones are 4 2 times. 5 ones are 5 2 times. And 6 ones are 6. Here 6 ones are 6. Understood, children? Like that you want to write. Don't leave the line for writing tables. Continuously like 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Like that you want to continuously you want to write. Don't leave the line for tables. 4 ones are 4 2 times, 5 ones are 5 2 times, 6 ones are 6 2 times. In one page only you want to complete these three tables. Understood, children? Write neatly. Thank you, children.